Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to reset settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down and find General Management, and here we've got the reset option, so let's tap. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got reset settings option, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all settings on your phone except security settings, language, accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps. So if you are ready, click on reset settings. Now your device is telling you that in order to apply all those new settings to bring them back to their defaults, it will have to be restarted. So let's click on reset. Now let's wait a second, it will automatically restart. So this is it. As you can see, the phone is turned on, so now all those settings have been reset successfully and you can customize them again. So that's all. This is how to reset settings in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.